Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can play 1v1 match in Madden 27. It's pretty easy. All you gotta do, simply you have to select the online head-to-head mode and select the option online head-to-head. Right here you have two options. Either you can play with random player or you can play against your friend. So let's say if we go for this option, quick match, here we'll able to play against a random opponent. Like you can simply press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation to choose the team. You can also press X on Xbox or square on PlayStation to access the advanced settings, and you can just set these settings according to your preference. To start the match, simply press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation and they'll start searching opponent for you. It is that easy. But if you want to play against your friend, then you have to select this option, head to head play a friend. If you select this, you need to adjust the settings according to your preference and simply hit play, and then they'll give you this window to invite your friend. Once you accept the invitation, he'll able to join you and you'll able to play against each other. And that's all there is to it. This is exactly how you'll able to play 1v1 match in Madden 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.